Here I have the Honeybull Fogless Shower Mirror, and you guys, this has great reviews on Amazon. That's why I purchased it on there. So we're gonna go over a couple of the specs. We're gonna open it up and check it out. So the first spec is it has a suction cup on the back, and the suction cup, you could place it on almost any type of surface, so that is key depending on what surface you guys have next to your shower. Usually it's going to be a tile, and the tile, it's going to stick right on there with the suction cup. Okay, it does have a 360 ball swivel, so it could rotate all around. That way you guys could push it up, down, however you guys need it. It has anti-fog technology. This is very important if you guys are taking the hot showers and it's steaming up. This is gonna make it so it doesn't all fog up and you can actually see through the mirror. You can see what you're doing. And then it does have a razor hook. This is for you don't lose your razors, and it's all the way at the bottom. It keeps it nice and in one place and organized. I love it. Okay, so let's open it up, check it out. Here goes the product right here. I just took it out of the box, I took it out of the bag, and here it is right here. You guys can see it has that 360-degree swivel right there, and it does have the locking plates right there. You guys can see it just locks right in there. Okay, so here is the suction cup, and the suction cup is real cool because you could actually lock it and unlock it by twisting right here. So counterclockwise is loose, and then clockwise is tightening it up. So it's going to be on there. It's going to be nice, strong. It should not fall off as long as you clean off the area good before placing it. Okay, so this is the hook right here where you're going to be placing your razors. That way you won't lose them. Okay, so all you have to do is peel this off. So you guys, this is the mirror right here. It's the anti-fog. So this is gonna be it right here. And I just really like this product. Like I said, it is 5 stars. So I did wanna mention that it comes with an optional large sticker. So this is in case that you're not able to make the suction cup go on, and then you're gonna be using the sticker right here. Okay, so it did come with that, and it also came with the instructions right here. Okay, so I definitely recommend this product, and I can't wait to use it.